Hey ladies and gentlemen, the first coat on my bed liner is done. Pardon this chainsaw bar, rolling the paintbrush. I bought this at Walmart. It's a Rust-Oleum product. It's fairly cheap, $60 for a gallon. This is the first coat, and I have to say, I'm very pleased with it. Trying to get all the angles I can for you guys. Pardon the dirt on my tailgate, that's already been coated. That's got about 3 coats on there. But anyway guys, this is on my 1995 Dodge Dakota Sport. I'm slowly putting money back into it, because it needs it. It's a classic. If you guys got any questions, I post on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Feel free to like, share, and post on my comment. Excuse me, can't talk today. But if you can, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This video will be going on YouTube. I post about a little bit of everything: DIY videos, how to work on cars, trucks. But anyway guys, stay tuned. This video will be posted tonight, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, hit that bell notification, and God bless you, and God bless America.